we are discussing Pythagorean triplet. So basically Pythagorean triplet is a set which is comprised of natural numbers such that they are non-zero. N, N, P, three natural numbers. They are non-zero, that means they will not be zero, such that there is a relation among them. The relation is like n square plus n square equals to p square. Now, n is greater than 1 and then three values which will be satisfying this equation for any value of n greater than 1. Let's say n equals to 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what are the values set for n? It will be 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1. Let me explain you how it will work. Let's say you are asked to find out the Pythagorean triplet for n equals to 2. That will satisfy this relation. How? So n is 2, that means 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 I need to find out. How? So put n equals to 2 in this particular set, this set. So for 2n it will be 2 into n is 2 because I need to find out the triplet for n equals to 2. So n is 2 here, comma, n square minus 1 means 2 square minus 1, comma, n square plus 1 that means 2 square plus 1. So it is 4, it is 4 minus 1 and it is 4 plus 1. It is 4, it is 3, it is 5. Now, as I said that I need to check out this. So how would I check it? You need to do square of these two and is like this one. N square plus n square is equals to p square. This relation is to be satisfied for n's value, that is 2, for which we have already found 4, 3, 5 in this relation. So put here n square. So what is our n in this case? This one is our n square because we have found three values. M, this one is my m, this one is my n and this one is my p for this particular equation. Satisfy this. So checking here. M square is 4 square plus n square is 3 square. Is it equals to p square, that is 5 square? Let us check it. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9 equals to 25. Obviously 16 plus 9 is 25, which is equal to 25. So value z, which is 4, 3, 5 will be the Pythagorean triplet for n equals to 2. You got the idea? We have found Pythagorean triplet for n equals to 2, and the set of triplet that we have so obtained here is, you can say, 3, 4 and 5. You can find any triplet for any value of n in this way. I think and I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.